Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Chinese ebook before it's gone.
Hi, everybody. My name is Wu Rui. Welcome to the 2000 Core Chinese Words and Phrases video series. Each lesson will help you learn new words, practice, and review what you've learned. Okay, let's get started. First is 牛排刀 steak knife 牛排刀牛排刀 steak knife 带锯齿的牛排刀 serrated steak knife 带锯齿的牛排刀切肉刀 carving knife 切肉刀切肉刀 carving knife 锋利的切肉刀 sharp carving knife 锋利的切肉刀咸 salty 咸咸 salty 咸的小吃 salty snack 咸的小吃味道 taste 味道味道 taste 味道怎么样 How is the taste 味道怎么样甜 sweet 甜甜 sweet 巧克力是甜的 chocolate is sweet 巧克力是甜的苦 bitter 苦苦 bitter 苦味 bitter taste 苦味辣 spicy 辣辣 spicy 微辣 lightly spicy 微辣酸 sour 酸酸 sour. 这个柠檬是酸的。The lemon is sour. 这个柠檬是酸的。小麦 wheat. 小麦，小麦 wheat. 小麦地 wheat field. 小麦地米饭 cooked rice. 米饭米饭 cooked rice. 一盘米饭 dish of cooked rice. 一盘米饭 Let's review. Respond to the prompts by speaking aloud. First, you will hear a word or phrase in English. Respond in Chinese. Then repeat after me, focusing on pronunciation. Ready? Do you remember how to say steak knife? 牛排刀牛排刀 And how to say carving knife? 切肉刀切肉刀 What about salty? 咸咸 Do you remember how to say taste? 味道味道 Let's try sweet. 甜甜 What about bitter? 苦苦 Now, let's see if you remember how to say spicy. 辣辣 Another one. What about sour? 酸酸 Do you remember how to say wheat? 小麦小麦 And finally, do you remember how to say cooked rice? 米饭米饭 Well done! See you next time! 再见